Hi, I'm Derek with Baird Foundation Repair. Our team has inspected thousands of driveways, sidewalks, and pool decks, and we've seen it all. So what if I told you we have products that could save your concrete from future damage? Your home's concrete is exposed to the elements 365 days a year, which means UV rays, water, and temperature changes can and will deteriorate these surfaces if not protected. And if left untreated, you'll eventually be dealing with bigger, more expensive issues that can decrease your home's value and even create safety hazards. But not to worry. Baird offers a 3-part concrete protection system that can combat these issues, comes with a warranty, and lets you rest better at night knowing your concrete is protected for years to come. The first part is PolyLevel. Our high-grade polymer foam is injected under the slab to lift, level, and permanently stabilize your sinking concrete. The materials are lightweight, waterproof, and won't wash away even after a strong storm. The second part is our Nexus Pro joint sealant. You've probably seen or used a similar caulk, but these are typically urethane-based. For long-lasting results, we suggest our silicone blended sealant to fill the joints found in your driveway and sidewalks. Nexus Pro is the best for resisting UV rays, and because it's more pliable, its bond won't break under changing temperatures. The final part is our Sealant Pro. In just one application, our sealant penetrates deep into the pores and chemically combines with the elements in the concrete to create a clear, strong, and permanent barrier. If you're ready to extend the life of your home's concrete, give Baird Foundation Repair a call. We'll provide you with a free, no-obligation inspection and discuss how we can fix it right the first time.